puppies are 5 days old. This is the littlest, even though not the runt. She's so small. I weighed them all finally yesterday. They're all gaining weight. They all love to sleep like this. It's very cute. It's kind of hard to see, but... And this is poor Daphne. You can see, even though I'm cutting their nails, how sore she looks from them climbing all over her. It's hard to watch her go through that, but it won't be for too long. And there's our little runt, our little survivor Ruthie sleeping on his leg. A lot of them sleep with their tongues sticking out like this. This little guy, so cute. And they've started that, I don't know if you can see, but they'll do a little scratching. If you scratch their bellies, their feet, little feet will rub. It's really cute. It's always a fight to get milk. Poor Daphne. Poor. Well, these guys are waking up. Gonna join the milk party. This guy here is one of the laziest. He gets his milk and then he crawls off and just falls asleep while the rest fight it out. He can't be bothered. And that's the puppies at day 5.